Welcome to our tutorial on managing your CocolevioHR subscription. Let's dive into how you can easily purchase or review your premium plans. First, log into your CocolevioHR account. From here, head over to Subscriptions. Next, select Browse All Plans. You can review the detailed descriptions of each plan to help you make an informed decision. Once you've selected a plan, click on Pay Now. Enter your payment details and complete the transaction. After your payment is processed, you'll be redirected back to the CocolevioHR application with your subscription activated. Note that CocolevioHR does not save your card details, so you'll need to renew your subscription each month manually. After your trial or subscription ends, you have a 7-day period to renew. You can also choose the free plan, which allows you to post one evaluation and interview up to 10 applicants. Want to check your billing history? It's easy. Click on the Invoices tab here. Then, you can search or sort through your previous invoices. When you find the one you need, click on the View icon to see the details. You may also click Download Invoice to save a copy for your records. And that's it. You're now equipped to manage your CocolevioHR subscription like a pro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for support. Thanks for watching.